Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Kadai. Today we have brought yet another very simple and very healthy recipe which you can even consume during your weight loss diet. Today we are making fried brown rice. Brown rice are very healthy as compared to regular white rice, not because it is in trend these days, but because of the nutrition value it imparts to us. So today we are making fried brown rice. Let's see how to prepare it. We'll take 2 cups of brown rice. These are organic brown rice. I have a joint family, so I am making a large quantity. However, if you want to prepare rice for 1 to 2 person, then half cup would be enough. Now one needs to wash the rice properly and then we'll soak it in enough water for at least half an hour. After soaking the rice for half an hour, then keep water for boiling. Into this we'll add 1 teaspoonful of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and then we'll add our soaked brown rice. Now we need to cook the rice for at least 15 to 20 minutes until the rice are cooked properly. After cooking the rice for 15 minutes, then I have drained the excess water and I have sieved it. So now we'll allow the rice to cool down completely. One can consume this rice directly with any curry vegetable. However, we'll be stir frying it to make fried rice. So first we'll heat olive oil. Instead of olive oil, one can use groundnut oil or sunflower oil. Into this, we'll roast garlic. Saute garlic for good 1 minute so that the flavor gets infused in oil completely. Till the time garlic is sauteing, I would like to show you the veggies which I am using here. So I have chopped cabbage, onions, capsicum, carrot and broccoli. Even I'll be using few peas and corns. So my garlic is done. To this I will add onions. One can use spring onions if it's available. Saute onions on low-medium flame. Now I will add carrots. Here goes broccoli. You can even add cabbage. Continue to saute all the veggies till it gets tender. Next we'll add peas along with corns. And here goes capsicum. So we are making our brown rice more nutritious, more dense in all the vitamins and minerals by adding these veggies. And lastly we'll add cabbage. We'll add 1 teaspoon of salt so that all the veggies cook faster. And I'm also adding black pepper powder. Give a nice stir and cook the veggies for another 3 to 5 minutes. I like to add lots of veggies to my fried rice. However, you can reduce the quantities of veggies as per your choice. We'll cover the pan for 1 minute till all the veggies are cooked properly. Friends, our veggies are done and it's time to add our boiled brown rice. I will add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and gently we'll combine all the veggies. You can eat brown rice as a part of balanced diet. Not only would it help you to lose weight, but you will also get tons of other benefits from brown rice. As compared to white rice, brown rice have more fibers, so it keeps you full for longer period of time, thus very helpful in weight loss. And also it helps in managing your blood sugar levels. Brown rice also makes you full for fewer calories because this is high in volume and low in densities. Thus it makes us full for longer period of time for fewer calories. So generally brown rice is suggested for weight loss
Brown rice has also anti-inflammatory properties, so these are rich in antioxidants and thus very helpful in several heart diseases like asthma, etc. Brown rice is also rich in manganese and provides proteins and carbohydrates. So eventually, all in all, brown rice are very nutritious, very healthy. It is actually a balanced diet, balanced meal which you can consume if you are on a weight loss diet. And our colorful brown rice are ready to serve. We'll turn off the flame. And here goes our very healthy, nutritious, power-packed fried brown rice ready to serve. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner. If you are in office late night, then you can even pack it and have it on the way. This is a complete meal in itself. This is nutrient dense meal and very helpful in weight loss too.
Friends, do try out this recipe. I'm sure you will really like it. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.